Is it time to buy or sell YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange Traded Fund? In this video, we're diving deep into YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange Traded Fund. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 29th of August, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of July, 2025, our system has identified the YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -7.27. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has incurred a loss of 26.71%. This equates to an average daily loss of approximately -0.95% since it was marked as a strong sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund has broken through a significantly wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a stronger rate of decline is indicated, though false breaks and sell-offs might occur. Nevertheless, further declines are plausible, and any reactions back to the breaking point at $15.63 are viewed as a second opportunity to exit. According to the fan theory, $10.91 may represent the new baseline for the upcoming trend, though it is premature to assert this with certainty. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of -19.6% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -18.95% to +5.51%. Considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of -23.97%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -60.80% and +75.21% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $6.08 and $27.16. Our latest daily update for the YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF includes the headline, "A decline on Friday for the YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF after a loss of 1.27%. The price of the YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF fell by 1.27% on the last day, which was Friday, the 29th of August, 2025, moving from $15.70 to $15.50. This marks a consecutive decline over 3 days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.91%, reaching a low of $15.44 and a high of $15.74. The price has decreased in 7 out of the last 10 days and is down by 13.21% during this time frame. The trading volume increased on the last day by 2 million shares, although this occurred alongside declining prices, which could indicate an early warning sign, slightly raising the risk over the next few days. In total, 13 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $201,071,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $46.50, while the lowest price was $15.44. Currently, the price is 66.67%, or $31 below the 52-week high of $46.50, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. MSTY, the YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF, has garnered attention for its substantial monthly payouts and its risky option strategy involving MicroStrategy and Bitcoin. This fund employs covered calls and other option structures to create cash distributions, resulting in notably high headline yields, although it also limits potential upside. Recent analyses indicate that MSTY has significantly underperformed a direct investment in MicroStrategy over the past year. Many investors perceive these payouts as akin to fixed income, despite their origins in equity option activities. Some investors are purchasing shares at a price below $19, banking on continued income and strength in the cryptocurrency market. However, analysts caution that this strategy may fail to capture rallies effectively and could amplify losses in volatile conditions. In the short term, substantial distributions and demand for yield may attract inflows and support the ETF's price. Yet, sharp declines in MicroStrategy or Bitcoin or rising option costs could lead to redemptions and rapid declines in value. Looking ahead, sustained strength in cryptocurrencies might maintain income levels, but MSTY is likely to continue lagging in terms of outright appreciation of MicroStrategy. This is due to its capped upside and option roll drag, positioning it as a high-volatility, income-focused vehicle rather than a straightforward equity or cryptocurrency proxy. The following signals have been identified for YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange-Traded Fund. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange-Traded Fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative forecast for the fund. Additionally, a general sell signal exists due to the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected around levels of $16.66 and $19.26. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued following a pivot top point on Monday, August 11, 2025. And since then, the fund has experienced a decline of 20.06%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence indicator. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that closer monitoring of the fund is advisable. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence-divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 15 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal 21 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 26 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average has a sell signal from 29 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 152 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange Traded Fund. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, this exchange-traded fund may experience significant declines in the coming days. This fund exhibits average daily movements, and with robust trading volume, the risk is assessed as medium. Over the past day, the fund fluctuated by 295 one-thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, which equates to 1.91%. In the last week, the fund has shown a daily average volatility of 2.72%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF is at $16.62. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below this level, which means the ETF could potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange-Traded Fund a good buy? YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy holds several negative signals and is currently within a very wide and declining trend. Therefore, we believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this exchange-traded fund. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 2nd of September, we expect YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange Traded Fund to open higher by approximately 5.83 cents and start trading at $15.56. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.